Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I just want to give you guys a daily update on what we got going on in the shop today, so let's check it out. Dan the man! He was looking like, what?
I was like,
Why is this out? What?
She's got a little bit less compression than we want, so we're just going to do a nice little factory refresh on it. Just new seals.
So we're not taking it fully apart.
Oh no, it's going to come fully apart. Yeah, we got to rebuild the rotor, you know, like all the seals, the apex seals and all that stuff. So we're going to refresh her.
That'll be fun. This will be our second one.
Yeah.
We're pulling out.
And then DJ's going to help me clean up this thing a little bit. He helped me pull the motor, which is awesome. And
okay, you doing some handiwork, boy.
Yeah.
I see that fresh tack though.
Yeah.
It hurts
real good if you smack.
He said,
friendship will be over so fast.
Did Will smack it though last night?
No.
Did Will smack it last night?
Every time he said,
You got you a little bit of mess down here.
Soon to be gone mess.
Oh yeah?
yeah, this I'll give you this trans too, Deej, to clean up because it's
Dirty.
It's real nasty.
Paint it.
Illuma bright.
Yep.
Dun,
Yeah.
dun.
But
Wow,
pulling
son.
the trans off so we can, you know, get the clutch off, and then I'll have to pull off a few more things so we can actually get because the way that we mount these onto stands is a little different. So.
CJ,
Hey there.
let's talk a little bit, buddy.
You want to talk?
I do want to talk, man.
Counseling session?
I want to talk to you, man. Let's have an intervention. This thing has been sitting forever, bro. We finally gonna get this thing on the road.
Yeah, hopefully. Yesterday I took the diff out and I replaced the two bearings in the back right here.
Right.
So I got that all popped in there, and I got to do these axle seals on the outside, but I just looked at the ones that we got from O'Reilly, and you would think they're the same, right?
I don't know. Let me see. Okay. They look close. They look very close. I can see how this one is wider than that one is.
Now how in the hell you gonna send me a damn axle seal and it ain't even look like that? Like what the hell?
It's not even close.
I know. So now I'm still waiting.
So now we gotta wait even longer.
I got the seals to do. I gotta pop the axles back in. I gotta swap out the speedo cable. And I gotta figure out why the headlight's not working.
You want to come over here? Yeah. Him watch it.
I'm getting him to do my job for me.
Yeah. See, I gotta go do some stuff with Devin. I gotta hold some stuff like well.
You gotta hold some stuff. I bet you gotta hold something. What are you holding back here, Dan?
We're
Hey,
Yeah, you holding something, all right.
thing you asked for, you came in here. My pants are up.
Come on now. What are you trying to say, man?
Y'all so stupid.
Got me, bro.
Go ahead.
Push a little more.
Alright.
Header tank.
Yeah, half header tank, half overflow.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
She's gonna be quite neat. Let's go show you what she looks like. in
I
the
kind of
car.
want to know what it looks like on the car.
But the way that we've got the cooling system, and we've kind of talked about this a little bit, but see, CJ's still struggling. That's why I asked him to do it. But we've got, with our radiator being lower here, the highest part of the motor, everything's kind of in line here. It is a little lower, but this is not a good spot to bleed the car. So we've got these 3 ports on top of the manifold that actually have cooling channels in it. So we're basically making it to where it's going to come out here sort of like a swirl pot does, but
So this is where it's gonna go.
Yep.
yeah.
That's a really good location. It looks clean right there. Fits right here on the strut tire.
It's right with it. I'm gonna wind up making it a little lower. I gotta take some out of this corner to just get it sit because it's got a funky little spot up in there. But
So how are we gonna run like our lines and ports or whatever you want to call it?
so you're gonna have the 3 coming into here into one shower head. It's gonna come into the bottom, and it's gonna feed this header tank, which is gonna be pressurized.
Okay.
And it's gonna have a regular radiator cap on it, and then the radiator cap's gonna vent to the overflow, and the overflow is just overflow.
That's cool.
This is gonna wind up being capped off. You're not gonna have this anymore.
Right.
And it's pretty self-explanatory.
So you got this on there. That's
yeah. I had to
big deal.
put that on there because of how close it is. We're putting a 160. Yeah, 160 to loop around into there. You know, it used to have.
Oh yeah.
That right there.
And maybe the loose cage.
Well, unfortunately, I'm probably gonna be putting in a couple late nights here because I've got to get this done, and all of this has to get out and sent to get ceramic coated.
The jet hot stuff.
Yeah. So, and I still need to make the screamer pipe.
Right.
Devin's been fabricating his butt off trying to get everything made because we do have a shorter timeline on this now. So we're trying to get all the fab work stuff done so we can get that sent off. Josh has been building the wiring harness, and it's been crazy.
Definitely has. Meanwhile, they're still going.
She don't want to come off.
Unless we start a pool on how long it'll take for him to swear. There's gonna be a bleep in this video somewhere, and it's gonna be because
I'm gonna try now.
just for the record, I'm working on my bleeps.
Your bleeps? You can't, man. CJ is the bleep man.
Here comes a bleep!
Do we need to get someone smarter than us over here? I hate to even do that.
Did we just hire a guy?
Josh.
Uh-oh.
Josh, come here, new guy. Get this clutch off. This is what we call it, you know, just pulling a Josh, where he comes over here and just
Makes everyone look bad.
But it's also feels really good, like when he does struggle with something, like every now and then.
Oh, we got it on Candy Cam today, so.
You can't be watching what I'm doing now.
Oh, we watching. Everybody's watching.
I have secrets.
Whoa, son.
Kick its butt, Devin! Kick its butt! Beat the crap out of it! Pop sides. You know they're in. He's gonna come out of there with something gorgeous.
20 minutes later. More moments later.
Should it come on?
No.
A few minutes later.
Victory screech!
That's so stupid.
Let's see the little ring in here.
Mm-hmm.
This has to be pushed in all the way, so that'll expand out so you can take the throwout bearing off of it. This has got a groove right there it locks into.
I see. That's so crazy.
Being cut in half, and then I'm gonna put a plate in the middle.
In the middle. Oh,
in the
separate
middle.
it?
Yeah, that way I have a separation. And I need to find out where so I can put a little eighth inch hole right there. That way when I'm welding up this seam, all the air in here doesn't.
Oh, shit, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah. So if you leave it sealed and
Right.
you're welding this,
Yeah.
it builds up air on the inside, and then when you get to that last little point, it's gonna just blow it all out, and you're not gonna be able to get a good weld right there.
That's crazy. I never would have.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's like when you're doing cages or something. You just pop little 1/8 inch holes where all the bars go together, and then you'll be fine.
Shoot. Learned something new today. That's cool.
Learn something new every day.
So
Tim.
have you had that happen though before?
Yes, I have had that happen. That's how I learned it.
You're like, what is going on?
Yeah, well, you're like welding, and then it just throws it all at you, and you're like, what just happened?
Right. Well, there she is, boys. She out of that thing right there. She right there. If you haven't already, like, share, subscribe. We just hit 7,000 subscribers, guys. We did. We hit 7,000 finally. It's been a slow process, but we finally hit 7K. So like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time.
Share it with your friends.
Share with your friends.